Welcome to Teresa Marie Online. My name is Teresa Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook fan page to post future posts for free. So let's get started. So let's go to your fan page, log into your Facebook, and then go to your fan page. So here's your Facebook account, and some of you might have an automatic one already set up, so you can do that. And then we're gonna log in, go into your fan page or your business page. So let's check that out. Okay, so you got two places you can look for your fan page. Up here or down here. There's a fan page here. So then once you decide that you found your fan page, you have two places, here and here. Then you're going to go to Publishing Tools. So now we're into your fan page, and you can see I have been using all of this different posts. These are all posts I posted. Today I can do this one. So we're going to go to Publishing Tools. This is what you get. These are all my posts. These is all the ones I've published so far. If you guys can see, let me move myself. These are all the ones I've done through this. Looks like I started on February 17th. This is when I discovered this. And then you can see scheduled posts and published posts. Right now it's on published posts, and these are all the ones I've published. Tells me how many people I've reached. Tells me if I got any engagements, what days I posted, what time it also shows, and then what kind of settings I have. Is it public or whatever? So next you're gonna click on Create. Click on Create. Okay. Then I usually start with adding a photo first. So then you're going to add a photo. So you're going to go to Photo right here. Click on that. You're going to add the photo. So let's pick a photo that you like. Obviously you're going to have all kinds of here. Let's see if I can show you. These are all my choices here. I got my pictures all set up in different places and things. These all have. So I'm gonna go into this one, my Teresa Marie, and I got all kinds of photos that I want to pick. So let's pick this one, Live Today. This is, looks like this is a reminder, so let's use that one. Okay, once you add your pictures, then we're gonna add our text. So let's say, join me for join me Tuesday, or join me today for Facebook live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then if you want to put emojis, you can see that it's going to show you what it's going to look like on a desktop and in mobile. It's going to load it up. So now this is how it's going to look. So let's go back to desktop. And then if you want to add emojis, let's put happy face. You want to put an arrow over here. There we go. And then so we are all set. If you are happy with what you got, you can even do, see, it got your Instagram already hooked up to it. So if you want to put hashtag Facebook Live, click on it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, let me try again. Give a space. Let's do another one. Let me think. Live. I don't know. Live show. Sure, why not? Okay. Alright, so that's that. So I got my thing. So how do we go about posting for the future? Next, we're going to go to publish, which is right here, publish. And then see that button, but you don't want to publish. You want to push this arrow right next to it. And it's going to give you this schedule post. So next, you're going to go to schedule post, go to publish, but don't push the click button. You're going to push the schedule post. So you're going to go to schedule, and then this window comes up. You can see it says time to post. So next, you're going to pick a date. I don't know if you guys saw that. I'm gonna go here, pick a date. I thought I'd push play earlier, but you push the date you want and the time. You can change the time. Let's say you want this at 7:35. So that will get you, and then once you're done, push save. Now, even because I rescheduled it, so it'll show up as reschedule. So once you're done, then you guys saw that I clicked save, and then it gave me to this channel or this face. And then next, you're going to push schedule post. Schedule post, even though this is it. And so that's what you do. And then you'll have this little saying right down here, if you guys can see it. So I can bring it down. Mouse. Okay. So you guys, it may take a few minutes to schedule this post. You can confirm it was successful by checking the post tab. So that's how that works. Okay. So to see if your post, you can X this out. So to see if it worked, you can see it says scheduled. These are all the ones I've scheduled for. I have scheduled all the way 21st. There, I have something scheduled for tomorrow. I have something scheduled for 23rd, 24th, and then we just. I have something for the 24th. 27th, 29th, I got it all the way to May 3rd. So next we're going to talk about edit, post, or reschedule. If you need to, if you don't like the way it looks, then we can do that, and I will show you how to do that. So you still don't see your post that you posted. So what I do is I go here, and then you can see it showed up here. And then if you want to see it, yep, there it is, and then it shows up. So you might have to play a little to see if it showed up, if it worked. Now if you want to edit post, it's very simple. You just click on the post you want to schedule, and then you can move myself here. You can either reschedule here. So if you schedule here, you get another chance to reschedule. Maybe you didn't like that time or whatever. You can do it there, and then change the time here. Let's say 7:33, and then you just push reschedule, and then it's back on. You can also edit the post if you want. Let's see. Content there, whatever you want, or you can click on this and do a little more change. Let's see if I can move this. You guys can see you get a more bigger thing, and then you can see obviously you cannot change the photo. If you want to change the photo, I think you're gonna have to start all over, but you can edit. You have other choices. You can you got COVID, but you cannot change the photo, looks like, or the anything else. Looks like you can still add feelings if you want, but not the photo. So if you don't want this whole thing, obviously you're gonna have to delete it. You know, delete photo. You can do it here actually. Yeah, see? Delete photo right there. So it says, are you sure you want to delete? No. So I guess you can. So you can delete everything from there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell if you guys want more latest tips and tricks and strategies from my channel. And then don't forget to share with people who you think would benefit from this presentation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.